So if you'll see, if you'll see this Oracle SQL installation document, so I have mentioned clearly step 1, download Oracle SQL 11g Express Edition, okay, and Java JDK. So this is for the Express Edition, 11g Express Edition. If you'll copy and if you'll paste it here, so it will take you to the Oracle website. Okay, so Oracle website. So if you'll click on this, if you'll click on this, if you'll see Oracle Database 11g R2 Express Edition for Windows, then you have to click on this download. Okay, so it will ask you the accept the this one license. So if you'll click on download Oracle XE11, this one, so it will start downloading. It will ask your user ID and password. Okay, username and password. If you have not created any account in Oracle, then go and create account here. It's a normal thing. Give your mail ID, password. Okay, retype password, country. These are job titles. Your name. A phone number you can give. They will not call you for any time. Okay. Company name randomly you can put any company name. So you can put the company any name random. If you're not working anything anywhere, give XYZ. Okay, give XYZ or anything you can give. Address you can mention anything, your home address or something like that. Okay, so it will not ask, it will not track your office address or the mobile number. It will never give you a call or all this thing. Just to you have to create account. Once you'll click on this, they will send you to your mail ID. This verification mail ID, they will send you to the mail ID. So you will go to the mail and then you will verify from there by clicking the link. You will go to your mail ID and you will be clicking onto the mail, which one you have received from Oracle. And you have to verify that. Once you will verify it, close it and then re-log in and then start downloading it. Okay, so if you'll give your username and password, it will take you it will start downloading. Okay, it will start downloading the Oracle XE11 like this. So it will take some time. It depends on your Oracle speed, internet speed. Okay, so if your internet speed is faster, then you will be able to download it faster. Okay. So this is downloaded. Mine is Wi-Fi, so it's downloaded fast. So if you'll see here, it's downloaded. Okay. Oracle XE11g. So next step is next step is step 1 is over. So we'll leave it like that. Okay. Second step is like we have to download JDK. Okay, so if you'll click here, if you will copy this link, okay, if you'll copy this link and if you'll paste it here, so it will take you to the JDK file. So the first one, if you have 64-bit, then you install 64-bit. If you have Windows 32-bit, you install 32-bit. So mine is 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll be installing 64-bit. So if you, when you click on this, it will ask your license agreement permission. You have to click this one, yes, and then if you will start downloading, so it will start downloaded because we have already log into Oracle, so it will not ask again log into Oracle as well. So if you see here, it's started downloading. Okay. It's the downloading, so it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so now downloading is done. If you'll see here, the second step is over. Okay, second step is over. So our second step is over. Third step is that unzip the downloaded file in download folder only. So clearly I mentioned in download folder only, you have to unzip it. Okay. So how we can do it? So I'll show you how we can do it. So go to download and go to show in folder. So you should see here we have Oracle SQL 11 and SQL Developer 21c. So what we have to do, right click on this, select this one, right click on this. So you will get extract all. So you can do extract all. Okay. So same way, same in download only, it will start extracting. So it's started extracting. It, it will take some time, 1 minute time, and it's done. Okay, go back to the download again. Okay, this one file extraction is done. If you'll see here that zip one is removed. Okay, now we'll do second file extraction. Okay, so right click on this, select that this folder, right click on this, and start extracting. So same places. So we have to extract it in download only. So it will take more time because this is bigger file, I guess. Okay. So next step, once it will be unzipped, then next step will be if you have if you want to install 7zip or WinRAR, you can install it. I removed it and I'm extracting directly. Okay. So step 4 is install Oracle Access software. So how we can install it? So we'll see that how we can install it. Click on setup application. I'll show you where to click and how to follow it. Okay. And step five is in this one, wherever like options will come, you have to select one place. You will get stuck that while installing, give password as admin and install. So you have to give the one places it will ask password and password. Two tabs will be there. So you have to give admin and admin in that there only, so that in future also you can remember the password. So it's any other password also you can give, but I do suggest admin. It's easy to remember. Okay, so I suggest everyone to give admin only. Once you will give admin password, then go to step 6, open SQL Developer and set connections. Okay, so let me see that whether it's done or not. Okay, so extractions is done. I think I have already something. Okay, so now next one, like we have unzipped it. Now what we have to do, we have to go and we have to install the Oracle XC. Okay, 11g. So you will double click on the unzip one. Unzip one. You have to double click on unzip one. This one, and then double click on this. If you'll see here, you have application, setup application. Okay, so if you'll double click on this, they will ask your permission. You give yes. Okay, you give yes. So they will ask your permission. You have to give yes. So it will start downloading. Installation will be in the process. Okay. I have already installed. I'm just showing you how to do that. So it's a starting install it. Okay. So it's asking that reinstall all Oracle SQL database because I have already there. So I cannot go ahead. Okay. So we'll cancel it. Okay. So once we like this, you can do. And one places admin password you have to give that, and it's very easy to set up. So next step is that once you will install it, go back in or download only, and then click on SQL Developer. SQL Developer, this one, okay, 21.4. So SQL Developer, if you'll click, you can go, you'll go in down, and you'll see that SQL Developer, this folder. So if you'll click on this, double click on this, then it will open a SQL Developer like this. So I have already installed. Anyone is joined with a laptop and you want to install this Oracle software? So here you have to, once it will be open, it will look like this. You have to click on plus symbol, okay, and you have to give admin, okay, admin, and username you have to give system. A small letter only you can give. System password. We have given password as admin, so you have to give admin. Okay, so you can do you can click on this test connection. Okay, so once you click on this test connection, the status should be here success. This status should be success. If it's success, then go here and save password. If you'll save password, this password you don't have to enter again and again. If you'll not save it, then you have to enter again and again each tab when you'll open it. So if you'll save pass, you have to click this save password and you have to say that connect. Okay, so if you'll click on this connect, this one admin schema will be added. Admin schema will be added. So let me show you how it will be looks, how it will look like. Oracle SQL we have started today only. So whoever the new person who missed 2-3 classes back, so I will share you the recording. I will share you the I already shared. If anyone not received, then let me know your mail ID and your contact number so that we can we can be in contact. I will be adding you in a group. Okay, so this like this, if you'll click on this this part, okay, so it's admin is got added. Next one is that you have to write you have to double click on this, and it's already connected, so it's showing as disconnect, but you can connect it. Okay, so whenever you want to connect admin, you can connect it. Then next step will be next step will be admin we have done this step 6 admin username will be system, username will be system. Okay. Username will be system, password will be admin. So like this you have to give a system and admin, and then test the connection. If it's a success, then connect it. Okay, save the password and then connect it. Same thing you have to do it. Then next one is that you copy this one, and we have to grant access to we have to unlock the HR schema. Okay, so you have to go there and you have to paste it here, select like this, click on here, so it will come like user HR altered. So next one, what you have to do? So like this output you will give. Then you have to set the connection for HR. So you have to click here. You have to click here and give HR, and username also HR, username also HR, password also HR. Okay, save password, test the connection. If you will test the connection, it will come as success. Okay, it will come as success. If you'll see here, I'm not done, but it will come in this way. Okay, so success will come. Success will be there. Then once here status will be success, then click on this connect. Your HR will be added. So it will look like this. It will look like this. So I want to, if I will show you the properties like this. Okay, so it will be like this properties. Clear, guys? Very easy process, and never cancel Oracle SQL installation process in between while installing Oracle 11g. So don't never cancel it. Okay, so never cancel it. Otherwise, it will throw you. It will be a big problem. Okay, it will be a big problem. it will be a big problem. So if with next one that once you have set connection HR, you can click on right click and then you can mention you can select as connect. So if you say connect, the worksheet window will open. You can fire your query here. So select start from uh, employee is an inbuilt table in HR schema. Employee is inbuilt table in HR schema. If you run it, it will take you to detail of employee table. Got it, everyone? Amrita? Amrita? Okay. Atul, you have already installed no, Oracle SQL?
No, actually, there are some firewall issue with my office laptop, so that's why I'm not installed.
Office laptop, it will be difficult to install. So I suggest that use personal laptop. Okay?
Yeah.
Vinay?
I will.
Vinay? Anyone want to share your screen and you want installation help? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can share the.
Okay. Share it. I'll help you.
Yes, sir.
Sai, ఇట్లా మీద అయిపోయిందందు
Durga, go on mute.
వెళ్ళాడు సీను
Durga. Durga, you want to say something? Bisnath, you are getting?
Sir, good morning. Just joined today for demo purpose. It was referred by Madhavi Garu.
Yeah.
So I don't have actual personal laptop. I just joined today. I'm just watching for demo.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah. Let me know if anywhere you will not understand. So today we are working on installation and then the basic of SQL will start. This SQL is very important for the ETL testing. So we'll explain you detail one. Before that, we have finished 2 classes for data warehouse concept. That I will after the class, if you ping me or like you ask your Madhvi to share the details, I will share you the recording of the class and docs for that. Okay, so you can go through that. You have not missed much. It's like you have joined on the right time only, so that like you can able to get Oracle SQL from starting.
Right, sir. Thanks.
Ramesh, you are sharing your screen? Ramesh.
Hello.
Yeah, you are sharing your screen. Somebody told you they need help on Oracle SQL installation. Okay, so if you are fine with the Oracle SQL installation, try it in your home. And if you'll have any problem, if you don't want to install it here, so Amrita, you want to install it here?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Ramesh.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
I'll share you personally, sir. This one. First one, I already this one, sir. Installed. Second one is not in this one. SQL Developer.
You're sharing your screen? I don't see your screen.
I'm sharing my screen, sir.
Yeah, fine. Where you have installed?
Yes, sir, this one, sir.
Show me your download folder. Download.
Yes, sir, this one, sir.
I told you to make it in close it. Let me say, wait, 1 minute, wait. Don't close it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go in download. Download folder. Here only you click on left side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maximize it. Maximize the.
Yes, sir. That already done again cut and paste the desktop, sir.
No, that is not the correct way. We have to do it again.
Okay,
Go,
okay, sir. Okay.
Go down this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So go to control panel.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Uninstall, sir.
Program. You click on program.
Yes, sir.
Double click.
Yes, sir.
Here it's click on Oracle database 11g.
Yes, sir.
Uninstall it.
Uninstall it, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just a second. Go back and remove from download your Oracle 11g file, zipped one and unzipped one, and SQL Developer also.
This one also, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Java we don't need like this. Remove that.
Yes, sir.
Complete full you delete. Delete it. Okay. Download it again.
Yes, sir. Delete. Okay.
You clicked it again.
Yes, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Don't cancel it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's installing it, so removing. Yeah, it will take some time. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Again, I want to go for.
Yeah, start download it. Take the link, okay, from the document.
Okay, sir.
You have downloaded full videos. Don't share with others, okay? Don't share with others. Okay, so this is my request, small request. Don't share with others, okay? Let them contact me if anyone want to learn it.
Yes, sir. This one, sir.
Yeah. Vishnu, Priya, I'll tell you where that document is. Okay? So
Sir,
let
now
me
download. Now downloading, sir.
go to copy the second link. Copy the second link.
Right.
That also you make it downloaded. You are downloading through mobile. You're connected to mobile or
No, sir. Laptop, sir.
Wi-Fi is there.
Wi-Fi, sir.
Okay. Fine.
This one, sir.
Copy this one. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Download. Yeah.
This
Yeah.
one, sir.
Yes. Download.
Okay.
So it will take some time.
Okay, one, sir.
Sindhuja,
Yes, sir.
you have installed?
No, sir. I'll try today or tomorrow, sir. I don't have personal laptop with me. I'll try.
Okay. If you don't have personal laptop, then we can go for online version also. Okay. There is a Oracle SQL live practice. Something is there.
Hey Jayant, this is Senthil. So I have installed in my personal laptop.
Yeah, that's fine. You are facing any problem? Senthil, it's working fine for you?
Yeah, it's working fine. I am able to connect admin and HR database.
You are able to run the query like select a
Yes,
from
yes.
employee?
I'm able to, yeah, I'm able to run.
Okay, no problem. Your speed is slow, Ramesh. Priya, show me your let me know once it will be downloaded. Okay, Ramesh.
Sir.
Let me know once it will be downloaded. Don't stop it. Let it be. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Priya, you want to share your screen? Yeah.
Is my screen visible?
Your voice is also low, Priya.
Oh, okay. Is my screen visible now?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, okay.
So it's working for you, I guess. It's not working?
Which one?
No, like this Oracle SQL you have installed already?
Actually, I got the help from someone else. I don't remember. Lakshmi, I think so. She's in the class. She grant me access for that database. I don't have that document where we'll be having steps to grant access for the database.
Just a second. Hang on the call only.
Yeah, okay.
But like another person will be not able to share the to any other person. Maybe she downloaded and then she shared it.
Yeah, actually, through any disk, she took the control of my system and
Okay.
yeah.
Lakshmi not joined today?
Don't know. That day alone, she spoke with me. I didn't speak after that.
Vishnu Priya Kanan. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just giving you full access.
Yeah.
You'll be receiving the mails. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So I have just sent you the file. So you can you'll receive it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so if you'll go in that, no, like Oracle SQL before that recording. Okay, so Before recording, you will get the document in Oracle SQL. If you go back,
Okay.
see installation, ETL testing, Oracle. This will. Okay, open this SQL. Wait 1 minute. The same thing. This only installation guide is there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So this one you have to fire the query in admin thing.
Okay.
This unlock the skill.
And admin is also not working in my SQL.
Show me that.
Yeah.
No, Scott and Sis you have mentioned. We don't have to log in for the Scott. This HR you fired, select staff from employees. Close it.
Yeah.
Close it, and then Scott you have means you will have 13 table only. 13 rows table only you will have. Okay, just connect to HR schema. HR already you have installed. I was able to see.
HR.
No, it's not like we don't need this Scott.
Okay.
So show me this properties. Right click on this Scott. Right click on this Scott.
Yeah.
Properties, down properties. Okay, Scott. And what password you gave here?
Here I gave Tiger, I think so. She only gave that. Yeah.
Tiger. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just a second.
I should test.
No, wait. You can test it. No problem.
Yeah, it's getting success.
Okay. We don't need this one. Just cancel it. Cancel it.
Yeah.
Just click on this sys. Then second one. Connect.
Okay.
Properties. Yeah. Just a second. Sys. So this also sysdb. We don't need that one. Okay. Cancel it. Okay. So show me the file where you have downloaded it.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
here. Yeah.
So Oracle SQL 11g. Okay. So do one thing. Go to control panel.
Control. Okay.
Click on this and go to programs and uninstall it. Okay.
Oh.
Programs and features.
Should I uninstall Oracle?
Yeah, uninstall it.
Okay.
Or wait. Click that.
Okay.
Cancel button. If no, don't click on cancel. It will be a problem. Just let it be uninstalled.
Okay.
You clicked cancel.
No. Before that, I clicked on no.
Okay.
Hi, Janvia. May I know that two functions, each
Yes.
other one?
Sorry.
What was the use of that function?
Which function?
Earlier in Oracle, we showed two functions, right? That is not used for us, STS and another one. Just now we checked, no?
I did not get that. Can you elaborate?
Yeah, we just now opened the Oracle and see we had been seeing two options are there, which is you are tested right now.
Okay,
STS
HR and
and
admin.
something. No, that is the HR admin we have to do,
Scott,
right? We have
Scott
to do,
and
right. Yes,
Scott.
Scott
Yeah,
and
Scott was the previous one, like the old one, where like you will get EMP table data, DPT table data, where like 13 records will be there in EMP. So it's like now they have added Oracle is added employees table. Okay, so it's around 107 records are there. More records are there. Before that, it was only 14 record was there in EMP. So people are doing practice from both. But as like I am taking example for employees table maximum, so I do suggest that install that one.
okay. So Scott is basically the old version, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Ramesh, done. Huh? uh, Priya.
Yes, Jane.
So once you will uninstall it, okay. So in last it will have finish. Click on this finish, and then let me know. Okay? So we'll
Okay.
start again process. So it will take maybe 1 or 3 minutes. Ramesh, it's downloading is done.
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen? Guys, please follow the steps when you home when you'll go back. Okay. So you have already downloaded. Don't download it again. It will start again.
Yes, sir.
Go to
So
download. Go to download folder. Okay, wait. This is only
Download. Yes,
download.
this one.
Then unzip it. Right click on this Oracle SQL 11.
Yes, sir.
Wait, not double click. Wait, close it.
Okay.
Close it. Close it.
Close it. Okay.
Right click on this. Right click, not left. Right click.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Extract. Fourth option is there. Extract to Oracle XE. Fourth option. Yes. Wait. Okay. Don't go so fast. Then right click on SQL Developer. Right click on SQL Developer. Right click. Fourth option. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Open Oracle XE 11. Double click. Double click. Yes. Third folder. Oracle XE. Third folder. Oracle. Fourth one. Now fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Double click. Yeah. Double click on this one.
Setup.
Double click on setup.
Yes.
Wait.
Jane, my uninstallation is completed. Should I install again?
Yeah, just follow this step and then double click. Go to. You have already unzipped it, correct? Just a second. I'll see your one. Wait. Let him complete.
Yeah.
It will take 2 minutes hardly. Next.
Next, yes, sir.
Yes. Accept. First option. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Next. You want to explain on yes. Click yes.
Yes, sir.
Give admin a small letter.
Admin. Yes, sir.
Admin a small letter. Next,
Yes,
click
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
install.
Sir.
Some people will do, they will copy from the download and they will paste into the C drive or D drive somewhere, and then they will try to install it. So that time it will face problem. So do installation in download only. Later we will copy it. Once downloaded will be done, we'll be able to access the Oracle SQL Developer. Then we'll copy the files from the and that also cut paste, not like copy. We have to do cut paste. Always do installation, everyone. Always do installation in. Always do installation in download folder only. Priya, are you doing installation?
Sir?
No, I haven't started yet.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will do. Yeah.
Just a second. It's done almost. Bhavya, you have installed? Tilok?
No, Jayant. Today I will install, Jayant.
Okay, let me know if you have any trouble, okay?
Yeah, okay, Jayant. Yeah, okay.
Bhavya? Subbu, you have installed? Okay, it's taking more time. Yeah, finish it.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, just a second.
Okay.
Okay. Now Oracle SQL is done. Click on Oracle SQL Developer. Double click on that. SQL Developer.
Yes,
Double
sir.
click.
This one, sir.
Down. Yeah, double click on that.
Okay. Sir. Sir.
Yeah, Ramesh. Click
Show the
on, no click. We'll see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Click on OK. In between OK is there. No, click on this OK. Click on plus symbol.
Yes, sir.
Green color plus. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Admin above name admin up. If you'll go up, there is a name admin. Can you see it?
So this one
Now
username.
system SYSTEM, so a small letter. System SYS. No, not admin, system.
User grade, sir.
System username system SYSTEM. TEM. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now admin, your password.
Yes, sir.
Now test. Now save password, go up, right side. Right side. Save
Yes, sir.
password.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then connect. Yes. Now copy that query. Unlock the HR. Go to my document. Copy that. My document. You have downloaded, no? My share folder document installation guide. Yeah. You have already opened it. Okay. Open it again. Now go down. Yeah. So one query will be there up. This copy this unlock one blue color query. Yeah. Copy it. Full query you copy. Yeah. Paste it here. Run it. Select all and run it.
Yes, sir.
Run.
Ramesh, select the query and run.
Yes, sir. User HR altered.
Yeah. Click on this plus symbol left side.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Name you give HR. HR.
Yes, sir.
Username HR. Password HR.
Big letter, sir.
A small letter HR. Okay. Save password. Save password.
HR.
Save password.
Yes, sir.
Test.
Yes, sir.
Success. Connect. Connect.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you are good to go. Write it. Select a start from twice.
This one, sir.
And now I could able to configure my database after reinstalling.
Acha, you are able to do it.
Yeah, I'm able to do. Yeah.
HR you have installed.
Yes, I have. HR and admin. Now it's getting configured.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
This one, sir. Select start from.
Yeah. Copy that. Copy full query. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Run it here. So select all and then run it here. If you don't want to select also, you can run it.
Last semicolon is there, sir.
And that is fine. That is fine. Run it here. Okay, so now you're good to go for SQL is fine. Oracle is fine. Okay, so hope everyone got this, how to do installation and all. Okay, anyone else want to discuss? Just I'll upload this video into YouTube, and then you can refer these steps. Okay.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome, Ramesh. So keep practicing. Just refer
Okay.
others recording also, and keep practicing. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Till Oracle SQL you can learn anywhere, but the main thing is Informatica. That will start after 10-15 days. Once we'll finish the Oracle SQL. So there only you will be, you will get all the details, how, what are the things we have to do in ETL testing and all, what are the validations of that. Biraj.
Yes, sir.
So I'll upload this video to YouTube. Just download in your laptop. Okay?
Okay.
Download do installation of Oracle in your laptop, and let me know if you'll have any problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I need some extra support, so I will call you later personally.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Today I'll be busy little bit, but I will connect after the call. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Welcome. So yeah, fine. So this is how we do installation for Oracle SQL. So next topic, what we will start. Let me share my screen. Still time is there, 25 minutes. So we'll go for the introduction of Oracle SQL. Okay. So it's very all theory part only. It's all theory part only, and not much important for the interview perspective. Okay, so we are going to start today Oracle SQL. We are going to start today Oracle SQL. So what are the topics we are going to discuss in Oracle SQL Introduction Chapter 1? So Introduction to SQL Database, Understanding DBMS versus RDBMS, Sub-language of SQL, Installation of Oracle SQL, we have seen it, okay? So data types in Oracle and operators in Oracle. So interview perspective, you will not face any question in that because you are going as an experienced person, you are not fresher at all. So you will not have any question from this topic. Okay, so let's discuss introduction SQL database. So SQL stands for structured query language. SQL is the language of database. So it's a database. What is database? So what we have installed now, this is called as complete database. So the very famous is Oracle SQL. Very famous is Oracle SQL. Apart from this, we will have multiple like Microsoft SQL, SAP HANA, we will have Netija, Teradata. Okay, so these are the database. Nowadays, Postgres is there for the cloud related things. Many other things are there, so you can go through that. Those are things are very, but famous one is Oracle SQL. The famous database is Oracle SQL. Oracle SQL is little slow compared to other database, but it's very famous. Okay. So using SQL, we can store data, manipulate data, and retrieve data. So we saw that we'll see in our database how to fetch data from the tables, how to create tables, how to insert data into tables, how to delete data, how to modify data. All these things we'll see in a database. Okay, in a database. So that's what, like, it's very important things. Manipulate data, retrieve data means manipulate means how we can insert data, modify data, how we can manipulate. So all these things we'll see in a Oracle SQL database. So how Oracle SQL, how SQL come into picture? 1970, Dr. Edgar F. Code of IBM is known as the father of relational database. So in 1970, he gave the concept of relational database. Okay, so we can store our database in table format. So he gave later on. He was from IBM. Later on, Oracle purchased that one, and he only having the major stock of it. Okay, so he is having only major stock of it. Other database also there from other different company, but Oracle they have invested that time, and now they are having most of the control of Oracle database. Some common relational database management system that uses SQL are MySQL, MS SQL Server, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix. These are the example of some other database. Okay, MySQL is MS SQL is Microsoft SQL. MS Access is there, Oracle is there, Sybase is there. So these are all some other. Apart from this, we will have Netija, Teradata, and all these things. So these are all not related to your interview perspective. General talk for the general introduction. I just drafted it. So we'll discuss 10 minutes on this and then we'll close it. So what is the difference between RDBMS and DBMS? So RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. When we say Relational Database Management System, this is called as Relational Database Management System. Okay, and what is DBMS? A relational database management system, RDBMS, is a database management system that is based on the relational database. The concept is taken from the DBMS only. The concept is taken from the DBMS only. And in DBMS, what will happen? You will have the data in a file format. But in RDBMS, you will have data into the table format. So in table format, when you have data, you can interlink multiple tables. You can interlink multiple tables, and security wise also it's a safe. You will have less duplicate data. But whereas in DBMS, you security wise it's not safe. The data is not safe. Anyone can share the file. The duplicacy will be there. Duplicacy will be there. Duplicacy will be common in DBMS. Security wise, it's not much secure, and then you cannot interlink multiple documents. Okay, so you cannot establish the relation between two files. So in DBMS, so that is the drawback. That is the drawback. DMS stores data as a file, whereas RDBMS store data in a table format. Okay, so same thing I've explained, you know. RDBMS is an advanced version of DBMS. Okay, so relational database management system is an advanced version of DBMS. People previously they were using a file. Okay, so a file to keep all the record like Excel file or some other file. But now they are using as a relational database management system in a form of table. DBMS, there is no relationship between data. Whereas in RDBMS, data is stored in the form of table which are related to each other. So you can relate one table to another table. You can link, you can join one table to another table. Like that, we will be storing the data in RDBMS. So DBMS supports single user, whereas RDBMS support multiple users. In one organization, consider 100 people are working. So access will be shared for RDBMS to 100 people. Okay, so 100 people can be able to access these tables. Okay, 100 people will be able to access these people, not 100, more than 100,000 or millions of people, they can access the this database. Okay, but in a file system, what will happen? File system, it will be single user only. It's a standalone file will be there in your laptop. So that is what we have from the DBMS and RDBMS. I will add one more tabular form difference between RDBMS and RDBMS. Okay, so I just forget to add it. I will add it so that you will have clear picture on that. Okay, but interview only this question they may ask you, DBMS versus RDBMS. But this is freshers kind of question, so they mostly they will not ask only. But if sometimes they will ask, just remember this is file and that is the table format. Security questions you can remember. Table joining format you can remember. All these things you can remember in DBMS. No need to remember full point. Sub language of SQL are DDL, DML, DRL, TCL, DCL. Okay, so we are preparing what we are here. We are preparing ETL testing. Okay, so we are preparing ETL testing, and our scope is limited for as a tester. But I will not stop you to learn Oracle SQL. If you have interest to learn more and more in Oracle SQL, you can learn from Google or anywhere. But how much we need for ETL tester? If you refer my document only, that is more than sufficient. That is more than sufficient. No need to go for anything. The only thing is that when you have prepared Oracle SQL and full course, you can go and learn some complex SQL question. So that also I have created a file. that also I have placed into my Google Drive. Okay, so if you go to Google Drive, I have just made it interview related, where like you will have a ETL testing interview question, SQL interview questions and answer. Okay, and then SQL scenario based interview questions. So here it will be like 230 questions will be there. So 230 questions will be there, scenario based. You can do practice on that. So whatever the document I have mentioned, that is more than subset. Okay. So DDL, what is DDL? Data definition language. We'll see in a detail. Just for the introduction, I'm just giving it. Create, drop, alter, truncate, renames are DDL command. Okay. DML command is what? Insert, update, delete. DRL is select command, data retrieval language. TCL is commit, rollback, and save point. Each and every topic we will discuss in detail. Here we are only seeing the introduction purpose. Okay, so sometimes they may ask you interview what are the sub language of SQL. So you can say DDL, DML, DRL, TCL, DCL. These are the sub language of Oracle SQL. So you can say that installation of Oracle 11g we have seen. Okay, so you can refer the video or you can refer the document. I have mentioned clearly step by step. So data type in Oracle are, what are the data types? We have Oracle data types, string data type, numeric data types, and date and time data types. In Oracle string data type, what are the data types we have? Common one, char, char data type, varchar2, varchar2 and varchar. These three are very common data types and mostly used 99%. It will be used as char, varchar. Varchar2 is mostly used data type. You can say 99% of places they will use varchar2. Okay, and next one is like varchar. Okay. So if you'll see here in varchar char, the character wise, it will store the data. It is used to store character data within the predefined length. It can be stored up to 2000 bytes. So if you mention char as a data type while giving into the we'll show you how to do that in the upcoming when we'll create tables. That time we'll see more how to define data types and all. But as of now, you can consider that these are number data types, varchar2 data type, date data type. So varchar2 and number are mostly used data types. Okay. So varchar2, it is used to store variable string data within the predefined length. Okay. So it can be stored up to 4000 bytes. You can store using varchar2 negative data, up to 4000 bytes you can store it. Okay. So another one is like varchar. Varchar will store a smaller size as compared to varchar2, but it's still it's a suggestible. You can use varchar or varchar2, but nowadays people are using varchar2 because it is having more features compared to varchar. Okay, so Oracle numeric data types are numbers. Okay, number and integer data type. Numbers and integer data type. Okay, so number, what is this PNS, precision and scale. So you can give in precision 1 to 38 values, and scale you can give -84 to 127. So we'll not go in detail what are these things, but if you want to enter number format like 123, 155, 2 millions of like 2 millions, 1 billion, all these things, you can insert number related numeric data, numeric values you can insert in this. So if you'll see here in our database, so this number means they will be able to store numeric. So here 2,2 means what? 2,2 means what? So it will store two number. Okay, consider that this two number and that decimal, and after decimal also a comma 2 is there. No, 2,2 means 2 be covered, and then another 2 means you can say that decimal point like this. Okay, so like this, only two values after decimal it will be storing it. One also fine, or if you have two also it will accept. More than two it will not accept. So that is the meaning of 2:2. Salary also, it will be like, it will be storing 8 digit. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 digit, comma maximum 8 digit, and then comma 2 is there means it will be storing this decimal point. Okay, so decimal point, any number you can mention in decimal point, or like 99 maximum value range is 99 you can mention. So that is the meaning of this number. Okay. Next one is int also. Integer also you can mention. It's this in this number data type you can store positive data type, negative data type. Okay, so decimal data type or decimal data, negative data, and positive data also you can mention. Okay, integer one also is the kind of same thing only, but maximum value you can store 38 numbers. So next one is Oracle date and time data type, where like date, whenever you will have a data like okay, consider like this. Okay, so date in this format. Okay, so date means consider 17/06/2003. So this is the date. So in this case, you have to mention the data type as date. Okay, so date. So date is the another data type. A time stamp also there, another data type. A time stamp also there. It is used to store the valid date in a YYY MMDD with time HHMMS. So it will say hours, minute, and second also. If you want to store data in this format, year, month, day, and then HHMMSS. So hours, minute, and second also in this format. If you want to store, you can mention the data type as time stamp. So we'll see all this all together when we'll create a table. As of now, this is for the introduction purpose. This is for the introduction purpose. Any question, guys? Any questions?
Jayant, can you go on the slide 6 once?
Yeah.
Slide 6.
Okay.
Installation of 11.
Yeah. This same thing I've mentioned in the share part. Okay. If you'll go there in my this thing, so here Oracle SQL installation, you have a document, full document is there. So step by step is there. So that we can remove it. That I can remove with this slide. But I mentioned for the okay. Like this installation of 11g, same document you can refer from the drive. Let me know if anyone is not having my they did not get the Oracle SQL drive or access and all. Just ping me my mobile number. To ping me my mobile number. Okay, so this is my mobile number 6363190. This is my WhatsApp number 6363190 and 920. So I will give you the access of that same. Okay. Okay. So next one. These are all introduction purpose. We'll have the detail level or everything will be in a detail level. So these are not important for the interview perspective. So not considering much on this. Okay. So if you'll go through the SQL, I have completely very nicely documented. Documentation is there for all these things. The functions will work more and other things also will work more. So everything is very nicely documented. I'll be giving you this theory part document as well as for practicing this query also. So that you will have some basic like each topic. If you'll see, I have covered 10 topics. Okay, 10 queries I have mentioned, so that you can have proper practice. So completely it depends on Oracle SQL, your interview. So we'll make sure that your SQL will be very proper. Time by time, I'll be taking, after completion of Oracle SQL, I'll be taking the mock interview, so that I'll be checking your knowledge on Oracle SQL. If you will be good in Oracle SQL, then only I will add you to the Informatica classes. If you are not good in SQL, then I'll tell you to prepare and then later join in another batch Informatica classes. So make sure that you prepare Oracle SQL, because 80% of your interview depends on your SQL part. Apart from that, any other things are secondary, but SQL are primary things. Okay.
Yeah. This PPT which you are sharing,
yeah.
I have not seen the data which you have shared into the Google Drive.
It's there. No, if you'll see it properly, it will be there. Okay. So let me share you. Let me show you where it will be. See, class docs is there. correct? Class docs is there, correct?
Jayant, is my screen is visible to you?
Just a second. Yeah.
And I'm at share with my drive. I'm at Oracle.
Open, double click on that.
Yeah. I mean, left side it is coming.
Class docs, click on class docs. First one. You have here all the details of the full SQL. Double click on this file, double open it, yeah.
It's only related with ETL, no, Jayant?
It's for the, if you'll go down, you will find it. Go down.
Okay.
It's a big file. Okay, so everything I mentioned. Go down, full down, you go.
Understood, Jayant. It's my mistake.
No problem.
Okay.
So full SQL is there, so no need to worry. If anything missed, I'll be missing it. Then I'll be explaining you. I mean, I'll be adding it again. Okay.
Fine.
So let me complete it. So I'll make sure that by document bias you will not have any trouble. Okay. Document bias or the knowledge bias. If you'll have any issue with the technically, or like you don't understand, then I'll explain it again and again. So no problem with that. So we have operators in Oracle, types of operators. SQL operators are categorized in following category. I hope like you people are studied arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, unary operator. I guess you people in college time you have already idea, but as for the introduction purpose, we'll cover it. SQL arithmetic operators, SQL comparison operators, SQL logical operators, SQL unary operator, SQL compound operator. These are the operators in Oracle SQL. So if we'll go to the arithmetic operator, what it will do, plus is there, minus is there, multiplication, division, and modulus. So these are all, we'll see one by one. It will be useful in our query. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here. Comparison or operator will be equals to greater than, less than, okay, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, not equals to. These are the things we'll be using in our query. So I hope everyone know like greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, what is the meaning of this. Okay, so if you don't know also, that is fine. You can write in a query and then you can do it. So this logical operators will be using frequently, and operator or not, in, like, between. All these things we are using it will be using it. So and operator also will be using frequently, or not, in, like, between. So all these 6 things are very important. We'll be doing it in our query. So that time you will be able to relate things. And means what? If your both the condition will be true, then you will get the result. It will return true if you have both condition true. Or operator, what it will do, it will return true if either of the condition will be true. Either of the condition will be true. Not means it will display the record of the condition is not true. If you have anything like, if 0, then it will make it 1. If you are using not, then it will negate sorry, what is that? It will make like true to false, false to true. Okay, so in operator, we'll see in a query what is that. It will be able to fetch in the from the list. Okay, from the list, if we'll give if we have to give more than one value, then we'll be using in operator. So that it will be fetching like in where condition. So those things I'll not make you confused. These are the things we'll discuss more when we'll discuss query part. Okay, so if I'll explain you again here, so you will tell that what is where condition and all, who don't know Oracle SQL before. Okay, so SQL before. So another one is SQL compound operator, plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to. These are the things we'll be not using in our query, but as a knowledge, you can remember this add equals, subtract equals, multiply equals. Okay. Any question, guys? This is for the introduction purpose only, so it is not related to your interview. So they will not ask you in the interview. Any of the question they will not ask you. Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So we have done with the introduction of Oracle SQL. From tomorrow onwards, it will be very, very important, because we are going to start the main thing by the query part. Okay, so just keep attending the classes and do practice. Till now it's fine. It's all theoretical part, but tomorrow onwards it will be completely you have to do practice. So make sure that today you install or tomorrow you install the Oracle SQL in your system. If you don't have system, then try for the live classes, or you will find out how to do practice on that or no. You can go through the all query part also, and then keep practicing. This Oracle SQL, 80% of your interview depends on Oracle SQL. Okay. It's 9 o'clock, so we'll close the class and we'll connect tomorrow morning.
I have one question. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, tell me. Yes, Indura.
Sir, do we have, I mean, can we practice functions like rank, row number, all those things also as part of this SQL?
Definitely, everything will be covered in this SQL, Oracle SQL.
Okay.
Everything. Yeah, if you'll see here, DML, DDL, data retrieval techniques, built-in functions. Okay, so what are the built-in functions we have? I have covered more than whatever we need. More than that, we have covered in this. So these are the questions. They will not ask you much, but I have covered more than that, all these functions, and I'll be showing you by the examples how we are getting all these functions. And rank and dance rank, row ID and donum, case statement, joins, subqueries, constraints, all these things we'll see in our this tutorial. Okay, so Oracle SQL, I'll make sure that you will have the developer kind of knowledge. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question, guys? Or we'll bind up the call. Okay. So if no questions are there, just we'll be closing the classes, and let me know if you'll have any question. Just drop me a message. Kalyani. Kalyani.
Yes, sir.
You are facing Oracle SQL problem.
Yes, sir. I sent it.
Just share me your screen. Let me see in 2 minutes.
Jayant,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is Pawan. I'll close the call. I mean, today evening I'll be installing the setup. If any help is required, I'll
definitely. I'll be uploading this video, so you can refer this is having proper flow. Okay. And let me know if you'll be finding anyone, other person also. If you want to drop it, you can drop. Prasant, you are also having trouble, no, while installing software.
Yeah. Already I will trouble yesterday. Format my laptop.
Okay. Now you will be able to install. Just refer this. I'll install this video. Okay.
Sir, if there is any possibility to work in online, to connect in online, please let me know. No, sir, please.
Yeah, sure. Let me see.
Like that until install Oracle software. At least I can practice SQL commands like.
In your laptop only it will be done. Show me your screen. I can't share your screen. I can't see your screen. Now I am able to see. Okay, just wait, hold on. Cancel it. Cancel it. Go to control panel. Go to control panel. Others, if you want to drop off, you can drop. Kalyani, are you able to open control panel from the Windows?
Yes, sir.
No, like I can't see. You